Hi everyone, my name is Star Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL. In this video, you are going to learn a simple formula that will help unit trust consultant to maximize their investor investment via EPF. This is particular scenario is applicable in Malaysia. Let's see how this is work. So after every investment, the investor able to reinvest or get the withdrawal from the EPF account after 3 months. So usually every month some they are longer, some they are shorter. By using this simple formula, I am able to calculate the next day after exactly 3 months. Let's see how it works in the next worksheet. So I have all the dates based on the investment date. I want to calculate the next investment date. So the formula is pretty straightforward. We are using E date equal E date. Then we press the keyboard tab. Then we select the particular date where it has the previous investment date. And comma 3, it means we ask Excel to calculate 3 months forward from the investment date. If I do this, I will get the same date after 3 months. Certain situation, I want to get the next day after 3 months. So therefore, I change the formula by pressing F2 and plus 1. By using this one, we are able to calculate this is the next day after 3 months. I can copy the formula downward by double clicking on the field handler on the bottom right. There's a small dot. So I just double click and ta-da! The whole thing is done. If you like this video or you're benefiting from this video, please remember to share and like this video so that your friends and colleagues they are able to benefit from this video. And remember to subscribe so that you're able to stay tuned for the future updates. My name is Star Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL.